Hi student, அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். இந்த வீடியோவில் நம்ம என்ன பார்க்க போகிறோம் அப்படின்னா 11th கெமிஸ்ட்ரியில் இருக்கக்கூடிய வெரி இம்பார்ட்டண்ட் 2 மார்க் 3 மார்க் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் அண்ட் 5 மார்க் 100 கொஸ்டின் மொத்தமாக 100 கொஸ்டின் கொடுத்துருக்கேன். இந்த 100 கொஸ்டினை நீங்கள் தரவாக படிச்சிருந்தீங்கன்னா கண்டிப்பாக நீங்கள் 60+ 1 மார்க் புக் பேக் ஒன்னோட எல்லாம் தரவாக படிச்சிங்கன்னா 60+ 70க்கு எடுக்க முடியும். ஸோ அதாவது 100க்கு 90 மார்க் எடுக்க முடியும். ஓகேங்களா? இந்த வீடியோவை உங்கள் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் எல்லாருக்கும் ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள். கண்டிப்பாக அவங்களுக்கும் ஹெல்ப்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும். உங்களுக்கு வீடியோ பிடிச்சிருந்தால் லைக் பண்ணுங்கள்.
% of hydrogen and rest oxygen. Its vapor density is 47. 2. What do you understand by the term mole? 3. What is the empirical formula of the following? I. Fructose, C6H12O6, E. Caffeine, octacarbon decahydride tetranitrogen dioxide, 4. Distinguish between oxidation and reduction. 5. Define gram equivalent mass. 6. Define relative atomic mass. 7. State Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. 8. State Aufbau principle. 9. State Hund's rule with example. 10. What is exchange energy? 11. Write short note on 4 quantum number. 12. De Broglie equations. 13. Explain Bohr atom model. 14. State and explain Pauli's exclusion principle. Unit 315. Explain diagonal relationship. 16. Derive ionic radius using Pauling's method. 17. State modern periodic law. 18. Give the general electronic configuration of lanthanides and actinides. 19. Ionization potential of nitrogen is greater than that of oxygen. Explain by giving appropriate reason. 20. What are isoelectronic icons? Give example. 21. What is effective nuclear charge? Unit 422. Write the exchange reactions of deuterium. 23. How do you convert para-hydrogen into ortho-hydrogen? 24. What is water-gas shift reaction? 25. Explain 3 types of covalent hydrides. 26. How is tritium prepared? 27. What are the uses of heavy water? 28. What are isotopes? Write the names of isotopes of hydrogen. Unit 529. Write the similarities between beryllium and aluminium. 30. Mention the uses of plaster of Paris in preparation. 31. How is bleaching powder prepared? 32. Mention the uses of gypsum. 33. Why sodium hydroxide is much more water soluble than sodium chloride? Unit 634. Boyle's law, Charles' law. 35. Gay-Lussac's law. 36. Avogadro's hypothesis. Graham's law. 37. Derive ideal gas equation. 38. Derive the values of critical constants in terms of van der Waals constants. 39. Distinguish between diffusion and effusion. 40. State Dalton law of partial pressures. 41. State Joule-Thomson effect. 42. Mention the 3 methods used for liquefaction of gases. Unit 743. Calculate the entropy change during the melting of 1 mole of ice into water at 00 C. Enthalpy of fusion of ice is 6008 J-mol 1. 44. Distinguish between extensive and intensive property. 45. Explain the characteristics of internal energy. 46. What is path and state function? Give 2 examples. 47. Derive the relation between enthalpy increment H and internal energy increment U for an ideal gas. IPN 197, 48. Give any 5 characteristics of Gibbs free energy. 49. State thermodynamics law I, 0 thermodynamics law E, first thermodynamics law E, second thermodynamics law, various statement, IV, third thermodynamics law. 50. Hess's law. Lattice energy unit 851. Define Le Chatelier principle. 52. Derive the relation between Kp and Kc for a general homogeneous gaseous reaction. 53. Define reaction quotient. 54. State law of mass action. 55. The equilibrium concentrations of NH3, N2 and H2 are 1.8 x 10 to m, 1.2 x 10 to m and 3 x 10 to 2m respectively. Calculate the equilibrium constant for the formation of NH3 from N2 and H2, IPN 15, Unit 956. State the term isotonic solution. 57. Write a limitation of Henry's law. 58. Write the 4 colligative properties. 59. Define osmotic pressure. 60. Define molarity and molality and normality. Unit 1061. Discuss the formation of O2 and N2 molecule using Mo theory. 62. Define I, bond length E, bond angle E, bond enthalpy. IV, bond order, May 22, 63. What is hybridization? 64. What is sigma and pi bond? 65. Explain the salient feature of molecular orbital theory. Unit 1166. Describe the classification of organic compounds based on their structure. 67. Explain characteristics of organic compounds. 68. Write the structural formula for the following compounds. I, M-dinitrobenzene, E, P-dichlorobenzene, E, 1, 3, 5-trimethylbenzene 69. Explain geometrical isomerism in 2-butene. 70. Explain paper chromatography Unit 1271. What are nucleophiles and electrophiles? Give one example each. 72. Explain about inductive effect. 73. Give example for the following types of organic reactions. I, beta elimination. E, electrophilic substitutions. 74. Homolytic and heterolytic cleavage. 75. Oxidation and reduction reaction Unit 1376. How the aromatic character of a compound can be decided by Huckel's rule. 77. Write short notes on Friedel-Crafts reaction. 78. Explain the structure of benzene. 79. Write bridge reduction. 80. Explain the different types of polymerization in ethine. 81. Write the reaction for conversion of acetylene to benzene. 82. Benzene to BHC. 83. Words. 84. Write Markovnikov's rule with example. 85. What happens when ethylene is passed through cold dilute alkaline potassium permanganate? IPN 192. I Unit 1486. How is DDT prepared? And give uses. 87. Write note on Williamson synthesis. 88. Carbylamine reaction, chloropicrin, Dow process. 89. SN1 SN2 reactions. E1, E2 reaction. 90. Fatigue. Words. Fatigue. 91. Write short notes on the following. I, Rashing process. E, Dazens process. 92. Starting from CH3MgI, how will you prepare the following? I, acetaldehyde. E, acetone. E, ethyl acetate. 93. Why chlorination of methane is not possible in dark? Unit 1594. What is green chemistry? 95. Differentiate Bod and Cod. 96. Define acid rain. 97. Which is considered to be Earth's protective umbrella? Why? 98. What is greenhouse effect? Name the gases that cause greenhouse effect. 99. What are particulate pollutants? Give example. 100. What is eutrophication?